Hello and welcome to the second film in our Foundations series. In it, we discuss the preparatory work that has to be carried out before foundations can be laid. The first step is to carry out a soil survey. Today, architects commission specialists known as soil surveyors to do this. They are generally geologists or specialized geotechnical engineers. They sink deep boreholes into the earth to build up a layer-by-layer picture of the ground and need copies of the building plans to ensure that they drill in the right places. This is exactly what happened on our Wolfsburg project. When the survey is complete, the architect receives a soil survey report. Alongside other important data, it contains information about the load-bearing capacity and cohesion of the soil and the groundwater situation. Load-bearing capacity is expressed as an allowable ground-bearing pressure. Cohesion data provides insight into the time and expense that will be involved in digging the foundation pit, depending on whether the ground is sandy, loamy, or rocky. Groundwater figures inform the measures required to waterproof components in contact with the ground. The architect also needs the structural drawings prepared by the structural engineer. These are made from the top down, reflecting the way that loads move through a structure and into the ground. Though the foundations are the first part of a building to be constructed, they are the last to be designed because their design depends on how the various forces are to be transferred through the building. Here you can see the structural plans for Nordkopf Tower in Wolfsburg. The soil surveyor then makes recommendations for the foundations based on the soil survey and the structural design. This proposal suggests the type of foundation best suited to transferring the relevant loads to the ground. On the Wolfsburg project, this was a very complex process because we had to deal with the high point loads created by the cantilevered section of the high-rise part of the building. The ground proved unable to take these loads, so the building was set on deep foundation piles. Summary. Certain preparatory work must be carried out before foundations can be laid. First, a soil surveyor prepares a soil survey report containing information on the load-bearing capacity and cohesion of the soil and the groundwater situation. Structural drawings are also needed because in order to design the foundations, the architect must know how the various forces are to be transferred through the building. The soil surveyor makes proposals for the foundations based on the soil survey and the structural drawings. Our Foundations series continues with film number 3. It looks at how the ground is prepared for the laying of foundations.